It's the time of year to learn how to draw a Christmas present. We start with a box or a cube. When you look straight down, it's a rectangle or square, but when you tip it, it's a foreshortened square that looks like a diamond. So draw two dots that are about 4 inches side to side, 4 inches apart, and then two dots up and down and connect them to make a diamond shape. Two sets of parallel lines. Then add 3 legs that are the same length. It looks like a table, doesn't it? And then connect the bottom of those and you've got your cube. All those lines are parallel. Do you see that? Now, how about the ribbon on the package? We're going to draw 2 sets of parallel lines that cross on the top of the box and are parallel to the edges of that top part of the box. They're all going to be parallel. See, there's 2 sets of lines. You can make them wider or narrower to make your ribbon look wider. Then draw parallel lines down the side of the box. They're going to be parallel to the sides. Then you can make your 2 sets of loops at the top and the tails to look like a ribbon. Erase anything that's extra that's crossing over each other. Now you have your gift made, your Christmas present. Decorate the surface any way you want to look like your wrapping paper, which is really fun. Now, pretend that there's a light source to the upper right. You're going to have a shadow on the left-hand side. So add some shading by tipping your pencil over to the side and shade the side and the tabletop. Do a little bit of smudging and it'll make it look 3D. This is how to draw a Christmas present from Welcome to Nana's. More tutorials there for how to draw. Come join the fun.